I'm just going to
to make my colorful stained glass wings. This is a great technique for other projects too. The Marabou alcohol inks work perfectly with the craft plastic to create a glass-like translucent look. The world's oldest doll is a creepy 4,500-year-old statue with almond-shaped eyes and bushy eyebrows. It was unearthed in Siberia in a Bronze Age child's grave. One-of-a-kind art dolls may command prices in the thousands of dollars, and publications featuring these artists support the collection of these dolls. Artist groups such as the National Institute of American Doll Artists promote the art form.
I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like them. I'm going to leave a link below to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.